Hi, in this video we will see how you can add additional users to share your database. You can add users from Windows and web version. In both cases we go to Options and select Users. Existing users are visible in this panel. To add another one, just click on plus, select New Cloud User, enter the user's email address, select the category of permission to be assigned to him, next we need to decide whether or not to give him permissions to view the basic options and the admin options. After entering all users, just save and synchronize. Each user will receive an invitation email. For any information or concern, do not hesitate to contact us at info@neos4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.